Unlock limitless creativity with the top for best 3D printers. These cutting-edge machines offer precision, versatility, and user-friendly features, making them essential tools for bringing your 3D printing projects to life. Learn about their features, user opinions, and pros and cons to make an informed choice. Number 4. Skytech X Plus 3. The Skytech X Plus 3D printer boasts rapid printing speed, high-quality output, and 0.1 mm high-precision printing accuracy. It has received high ratings and positive customer reviews. Notable features include a circulation fan and an independent heating device with a maximum temperature limit of 65 degrees. The Skytech X Plus offers impressive print quality and advanced temperature control for precision printing. Number 3. Congro Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. For professional or larger output needs, the Creality 3 Drint Mill offers a unique solution with infinite Z-axis printing. This printer uses a moving conveyor belt, enabling continuous printing of exceptionally long objects. It's also great for large batches of smaller items, without the need for frequent resets. The printer can pause and resume when filament runs out or breaks, making it suitable for business-focused applications. The Creality 3 Drint Mill introduces innovative infinite Z-axis printing for long and batch printing needs. Number 2. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is a resin-based 3D printer with a small footprint and an affordable price point, with a print area of 5.1 x 3.1 x 6.3 inches. It suits projects like toys, jewelry, and crafting parts. Its integrated COB UV light source ensures fast curing of resin, with only about 2 seconds per layer. The printer is fully enclosed with an activated carbon filter to eliminate odors. It supports 12 languages, making it accessible worldwide. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro offers efficient resin-based 3D printing in a compact design. Number 1. Creality CR30. The Creality CR30 is a compact and affordable 3D printer suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With an 8.6 x 8.6 x 9.8 inch printing area, it's perfect for small-scale projects such as toys, jewelry, and decorations. Assembly is relatively quick, taking around 2 to 5 hours. The hotbed heats up in just 5 minutes, ensuring fast printing. The resume printing function allows the printer to continue a paused print in case of a power interruption. The Ender 3 is fully open source, allowing for customization. It's an ideal starter printer for beginners and kids, offering precision and quality for more experienced users. The Creality CR30 offers an accessible 3D printing experience, with versatility for various projects. These 3D printers cater to a range of needs, from compact and affordable options to innovative infinite Z-axis printing and high-precision printing. Consider your specific requirements when choosing the right 3D printer for your projects.